How to send Snap without media upload. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. In this video, I will show you two methods by which you can send Snap without media upload. Now, the first thing you want to do is open the Snapchat app on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. Also, make sure that you're using the latest version of the Snapchat app. Now, the first method is you simply want to click a photo in this way. Make sure that you click a blank snap. After that is done, you want to tap on this icon over here. Now you will find different options here. Tap on the one that says photo over here. Now your gallery pictures will open up in this way. You simply want to select a picture from here. So I have selected this picture. You want to adjust the size of this picture. You can make any other edits over here as well. Then tap on the send to option. Now you can send this to whoever you want. And in this way, this photo will be sent as a normal snap. Now there is another way as well. For this, you want to tap on this icon over here. Now you want to select any picture from your gallery. After that, tap on the send to option. Now you want to send this to my AI. Tap on this paper plane icon. And this is another way on how you can send Snap without media upload. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.